In this video today, we'll be looking at displaying numerical data. So this is exercise 9.03. In the previous lesson, we were looking at displaying categorical data, and we're using a column graph to do that, and a frequency table. Now, just bear with me here, my iPad isn't working, so I'm using the mouse to write things, so it might not work out too well, but let's see how we go. So what we're looking at today is, firstly, tally and frequency tables for displaying numerical data. Very, very similar. And we have this question here. Kyle asked 25 of his students in his class, how many children are there in your family? The answers are below. Right, a whole lot of nonsense down there. We need to arrange this information into a frequency table. So say for instance you're creating one from scratch, and I've got a little table here to keep things neater. We firstly need to put here the number of children. So here I'm going to put children, and I might just change that ink size. There we go. Children. Alright, so you can either have, it looks like no one has 0 children, so we start with 1, then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Now we can see here there isn't any 8s. So what I can do is just go, okay, well that's where our data goes up to. Now, here's our tally. So we're just going to tally off as we go. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So that'll be 4 strokes. 2, 3, 4. 2 would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you may note, I'm sort of cheating here. I can just put that straight into frequency, can't I? 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And we can just put the running total here as we go. 4. And number 4 is 1, 2, 3. Now, frequency tables, you can do the tally. If they specifically ask you to do the tally, do it. Otherwise, you can just put here, you can go straight to this frequency part. And most of the time, I find that more convenient unless there's a lot of numbers. 5 is 1, 2. Does anyone have 5 kids in the family? It's a fair few. 6 was 1. That's on there. And 7 was 1, 2. So my granddad, he had 6 kids in his family. And we put 2 there. Now in total here, we can just put, this is the total. I like keeping this last row for the total. And in total, we can see there's 25 kids. Okay. 4 plus 5 is 9, 17, 20, 22, 23, 25. So now what we're going to do is we're going to make a histogram of this. Okay. So using our information from above, we're going to draw out a histogram. So from the number of children is 1, okay, we're going to draw out a frequency of 4, okay. Now, with histograms, we want to have the columns touching. So I've drawn it to the center points here. 2, we have 5 people, so 2 goes up to 5, like that. So from these center points, and then go across. And we've got 3 is 8 kids. So we want to go all the way up to 8. And go down to the center between, the middle bit between 3 and 4. We've got 4 children as 3. And we've got 5 children as 2. Six children as 1. 7 children as 2. And we stop halfway. So here we've got number of children. Here I've got the frequency. And here I have the number of children. In each family. Brilliant. And that's more or less the lesson for today. I need you to complete questions 1, 4 and 6 and take a photo and send it through. Questions 1, 4 and 6 are located below in the sheet below. Best of luck today, gents, and I do hope the worksheet is working. I'm having a bit of trouble with OneNote. Okay, have a good day.